So I'm here at the Westgate poker room. Game is supposed to start like in 15 minutes. My job today is to follow Old Man Coffee step by step and do what he's doing. He's playing here 1-2 game, so I have to suffer in that. I don't know what's buying there, like $100. I'll let you know. It's all right. Starting the game soon. So they're calling names. Games are gonna start. I'm in for 200 and Old Man Coffee in for 100. Then we get $20 bonus, free money. You have to suffer.
Thank you for how much you want, Thomas?
To earn it.
Hopefully you can come more by your team later.
First hand.
First hand, in the
No folding. First hand.
That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it.
What? I made him fold or he's busy?
It didn't say anything. Old Man Coffee fold.
Old Man Coffee fold like a old lady in 2-4 limit poker game.
You win the first hand.
First hand.
Those old ladies don't fold. That's bad luck. How much you want, buddy?
The game is on. Let's see how it works for Old Man Coffee. He has his equipment on his head, on the camera, on the floor. Get his cards. He's gonna gamble the whole $2. The whole $2. That's how the Old Man Coffee plays. There's a raise down to 10.
$10, Richard. $10.
He calls $2. One calls 10, and then OMC folds. Donated $2.
Check.
Flop is ace high. Somebody's gonna bet, and they're gonna nothing. No ace. Queen gets it. I smell pocket aces. $6. I'm gonna gamble. Let's see what you got. And $12. This would be a stretch.
And it looks smaller than
He is thinking, yes, sir, Bob, $10 in front of me. There goes gas money.
You have 3 ways.
3 ways.
Action, boss. I gotta sit over. Play it.
22, boys. Wow. Oh, starts with wow. Then he looks back to his hand.
I don't know if I talked to the boss.
Uh-oh. Got rid of him.
Yes, sir. 22. Check.
Sir. Very good to see you again.
And they let it go.
Yeah, I brought my friend.
Flush draw.
This guy's the best player in the whole poker room. Best guy in the whole poker room.
Thank you very much.
Modest.
No, I don't think so. I think he is right now.
No, that's what the best player would say.
I think you got me off the winning hand.
There it is.
Two all-ins. Two all-ins against Mr. Legends.
2 all-ins. I'm in.
Oh, he's in.
It's called. We call him the biggest stack, right?
There's no more betting.
No more betting.
Queen, tens.
What do you have? 9-5. What do you have?
King 7.
King 7.
Now he's got one.
No, he's the main pot. Side pot.
Need a queen. Or a king. Black queen. Or a 10.
They got his out.
Or a diamond deuce. Come on!
Yeah.
Come on! What the bullshit!
$16, sir.
Again?
$10.
Okay, I just got insulted here in the middle of poker.
That wasn't an insult. That was a night.
No, that's insult. So the gentleman, who's the name?
Steve.
Steve comes, yeah, and start hugging OMC, and he goes like, tells me, your vlog is my favorite after OMC.
It's really close though. It's really close. You gotta start
Do
selling
you even
coffee.
watch that stuff? Do you even know to evaluate things?
Mr. Wegas coffee. Yeah, that's what I need.
No coffee, no coffee.
Nope.
No.
What would you?
Plum brandy shots.
Oh,
Plum brandy shots.
I like that. Anytime. I'm ready for that.
Yeah, 18 RV.
Oh, let's go. All right. Yes. Liquor me up and then you'll be number one.
The raise 7, 1 caller.
The re-raise.
Re-raise.
Call 7, I don't call 22.
Just to get the OMC out of the hand. No limpers.
Yeah.
He doesn't get to do that.
You sit here and he takes your seat there.
And 1 caller.
I have better luck over here. It's not for me.
Another all in?
I ain't got none of that.
Are you recording?
Whatever. Yes.
Oh, just don't record my face. I don't care if you record.
He got 8 nines.
He got 9.
Got your 9.
That's another one bites the dust.
Why did you guys?
Order.
They have a Serbian restaurant here, sir?
More than one.
Players all in.
All in?
All for 16. All right, no more betting. What we got?
Start the game?
Pair 4.
It's all posted out there on that board. Okay. I'll take the hours. Again,
How much?
60. 60.
45 more.
Call 60. 15 into 60. There's only one hand that can be. What?
So 40, right? 40 is the best.
40? So that's less than 60? So he wants to keep me in a hand.
That's right, that's right.
I'm all in.
Where's all in?
Bam.
He's going to do it. There's no more betting.
You got the kings, don't you? Oh, you got the aces. Oh, he's got the kings.
I thought it was the other way around. Ah.
That's a good hand. That's a winning hand, boy. Big money. Big money. I thought you had the
This
kings.
is pretty close.
At 300.
Well, it doesn't matter what you had at the beginning of the hand.
Oh, yeah,
What
yeah.
matters is what
Yeah,
you
yeah.
put in now.
230.
Two.
Probably learned some about Mr. Vegas and his speech.
He had jacks of kings.
248.
He
248.
had kings. One of them had kings.
He had kings? He has to be.
Kings versus
Because he doesn't have aces.
He could have. I saw 429 at one station. You're crazy.
Tip the dealer. Didn't crack it.
Thank you.
Yeah, kings this time.
You're getting some good hands.
What did he call it? A jack?
You got 8-7.
3 aces no good. 3 aces no good.
3 aces against 3 aces, high kicker.
Come on.
The flush draw. With the flush
What he had?
Be the flush draw.
Ace king, he had ace 9.
Ah.
I understand.
He just sat down. That's
First hand. First hand.
damn.
Damn. We're not leaving soon. So on a button I had to fold. Here's the hotshot kid calling. Old man coffee in it. I think I misheard the big pot. Those are kind of cards I'm getting. And 15.
It changed my life. It got me out of trouble. It got me into the friendship.
And the slider. We had the slider.
Around the game.
Yeah, exactly. A way better round.
Exactly. And then now my son is going to college on a scholarship. He's doing a baseball.
Whoop.
He's not. He didn't get raised.
One for the good guys. We met.
We're here. When I was looking for a boyfriend, Mr. Vegas was third on my list.
So I made the list.
You did.
Thank you.
Thank you. When I was looking for a boyfriend, Mr. Vegas was third on my list.
So I made the list.
You did.
So we're done with the game. We're gonna go have a dinner now. It was fun, just because it was positive. Not much. I didn't play in a Troopers game because they're hot shots. That's not for me. So we are at the famous Serbian Derby Cafe having apricot brandy.
Gracias.
Yeah. Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
I had to find my mouth here. And this little, whatever you call it, containers, that's traditional from the Serbia.
Oh, the container itself is traditional. I was wondering.
Starting, I have cevapi, Steve has cevapi, Old Man Coffee has a mixed plate, all kind of meat. I want to see him eat this. You have the doggy bag,
I'm not gonna
buddy.
eat all of it. No,
doggy bag. You
Doggy
have
bag.
lunch tomorrow.
Yeah.
Lunch tomorrow. And shopska salata, salad. Bye bye.